It was just another ordinary day at a busy grocery store. Customers were standing in line, carts full of food and necessities. Among them was an elderly woman. Her steps were slow, her back slightly bent, but her eyes still carried dignity. She carefully placed a few items on the counter, just the basics, nothing fancy. The cashier, a young black man with a kind smile, scanned the items and softly said, "That'll be $22.85, ma'am." The woman reached into her worn-out purse and began counting her coins. Her hands trembled slightly as she placed the money on the counter, but when she finished, she froze. She was short, just 85 cents. A silence fell over the line. People behind her grew impatient, some sighing, others shaking their heads. The old woman's face turned red with embarrassment. She whispered, I don't have enough." Before the tension could grow, the cashier did something unexpected. With a warm smile, he reached into his own pocket, pulled out $1, and gently placed it on the counter. "Don't worry about it, ma'am," he said softly. "You take your groceries home. You've got everything you need." The woman's eyes filled with tears. She clasped his hand and whispered, "God bless you, son." The entire store grew silent. The impatient faces softened. In that moment, everyone witnessed something far more valuable than money: kindness, compassion, and humanity. And what happened next spread far beyond the walls of that little grocery store. Customers who witnessed the act shared it with others. People online celebrated the cashier's kindness. And soon, his simple act of paying 85 cents became a story that warmed hearts everywhere. Because sometimes, it's not the amount that matters. It's the love and humanity behind the action. Kindness doesn't need to be big. Even a few cents of compassion can restore someone's faith in humanity.